With the rapid development of global intensive farming, Hontech, who has become a leader in the industry, has launched 3000 watts intelligent dimming controller. From the first generation to the 8th generation, we are contributing to the development of animal husbandry. With larger power, it saved the cost of cables and manpower. Only one dimmer in a chicken house, reducing the initial investment, greatly improving the efficiency of production. The dimmer is designed with innovative 5 protections. We invented a clamp-absorbing short-circuit protection, breaking through the physical limitations. This enables the dimmer early warning and protection, and it will automatically resume operation after the problem is resolved. Lightning protection grade reaches 6 kV, much higher than other dimmers with only 2 kV in the market. The dimmer support RS-485 control with effective transmission distance up to 1 km. It can achieve the network interconnection between the dimmer and farm and empower the development of IoA. We use IGBT digital dimmer and can adjust brightness intelligently, breaking through the bottleneck of traditional SCR technology and achieving 0% to 100% smooth dimming without flicker.